I wake up at 6. I wake up at 6. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning.
I exercise in the morning. I exercise in the morning.
I take the bus in the morning. I take the bus in the morning.
I eat breakfast at 7. I eat breakfast at 7.
I drive to work at 7:30. I drive to work at 7:30. I meet my friend at noon. I meet my friend at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon.
I am busy in the afternoon. I am busy in the afternoon.
I study English in the afternoon. I study English in the afternoon.
I finish work at 5. I finish work at 5. I meet my friend at 7.
I meet my friend at 7.
I relax in the evening. I relax in the evening.
I arrive home at night. I arrive home at night.
I read a book at night. I read a book at night.
I go to a restaurant on Friday. I go to a restaurant on Friday.
I visit my family on Sunday. I visit my family on Sunday.
I stay home on holidays. I stay home on holidays. I go to the park in spring. I go to the park in spring. I stay home in winter. I stay home in winter.
I go to the beach in summer. I go to the beach in summer. I travel on my birthday. I travel on my birthday.
I clean my room on Sunday. I clean my room on Sunday.
I shop on Saturday. I shop on Saturday.
I wake up late on weekends. I wake up late on weekends.
I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10. I watch TV at night. I watch TV at night.
I go home at night. I go home at night.
I feel tired in the evening. I feel tired in the evening. I cook dinner at 6:30. I cook dinner at 6:30.
I buy food at noon. I buy food at noon. I work on Monday. I work on Monday.
I start work at 9. I start work at 9.
I leave home at 8. I leave home at 8.
I sleep well at night. I sleep well at night.
Let's replay! Let's replay!
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.